Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner.
Guys, what if I told you that you can build any kind of project, whether it is a website, a Python application, or a gaming application, without writing a single line of code by yourself, and it's completely free? I know you won't believe me, but guys, at the end of this video, I'm going to create two websites, and that is completely free, no cursor subscription, no GitHub Copilot, 0 rupees, and I'm going to show you step by step from absolute zero. So let's start the video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up open code in VS Code so you can wipe code any project completely free. So guys, before doing this, you have to first install VS Code in your system. So if you have not installed, I have already created a separate video for this. The link is in description box. You can watch and install that video. So before starting with the video, let me tell you what is vibe coding. Vibe coding means instead of writing entire code by yourself, you need to just describe it what actually you want in a simple English language. Like build me a to-do app, or build me a website for this particular thing, or create a blog website, and the AI does all the coding for you. That's it, guys. You don't need to know any programming language. And today I will show you how to do this for free using a tool called Open Code in VS Code. So OpenCode is an open source AI coding agent, guys, and you won't trust me. I have created full-fledged website. The website can go in production also. So at the end of this video, you will come to know what website I have created, and I would like to know through comment what website you guys are making. So open source means it's completely free and there is no limit on how much you can use it, and it works directly into your VS Code, so you don't need to go anywhere else. Just install it and start your vibe coding. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open your VS Code and you need to install open code in that. So in VS Code, just go to this extension tab and simply type open code here, and you can see this open code extension. It has over 1 lakh download, so you don't have to worry about it. Just click on install, and guys, you can see the installation is done. And here at the top corner, guys, you can see the open code icon has appeared. So this is the method by which you can install your open code, right? So now if you close this, the icon will vanish. So again, you can go to extension tab and you can just select open code and you will see that icon. So now after installation, what we will be doing, we will be opening one folder because we will be creating website, so we need folder. So here I'm just opening one of my folder. I have created folder on desktop, CS Corner, and I'm opening that. So guys, after installing this extension, we have to install one more thing. But before that, let me open my folder because the files which will be created for your app or website will be stored in that. So just go to file menu, select open folder option and browse any of your folder. So I'm just taking one of my folder. And now after that, I'm clicking on this open code icon. So here I'm getting this error. Why this error? Because we need to install this open code through a terminal. So here I'm just taking you again to extension, and in installation instruction you can see they have given that you required open code CLI also. So let's install open code CLI. So for that, I'm going to simply click on this link. It will redirect me to open code website, and here I'm going to copy this npm code. I'm going to copy. I'm going back to my VS Code, and here I'm taking new terminal option, and instead of PowerShell I will be taking command prompt, and I'm simply pasting this, and you can see the open code CLI has been installed. Now let me click on open code icon again. Now here it's showing me some security issues on my system. It may happen on your system, it is not showing. So I'm just resolving this issue by typing this command. So now this is done. Now I will start my open code again by clicking on this open code icon, and guys, you can see open code has been started here, right? So during installation you may face some trouble, so what you can do, you can, if you are facing any issues, you can comment on my video. I will resolve your issues, or you can contact me on IG also. Open code setup is done. We have install extension as well as we have installed CLI open code also. So guys, now let's understand how open code actually works. So here you can see, when you open open code, you will see some terminal style interface, and there we have two modes, right? So one mode is plan mode and another mode is build mode. You can switch from plan mode to build mode by just pressing tab key. So what is plan mode? Plan mode describes what you want to build, and open code will create a complete plan for you step by step, and then it will, and then next step is going to be build mode. First of all, open code will be planning, and then it will be building. So after planning, you have to shift to build mode, where it will actually build a project. So guys, this way open code works. And guys, one more thing, if you type slash model and press enter, it will show you all the models available. So guys, here it is using Big Pickle model, which is almost as good as your Claude and Gemini model. So we will be using Big Pickle model. We are not changing, because if you change to Claude or Gemini, you need to pay for it. So now let me show you a live demo. So here my mode is plan mode, and I'm just giving a task that create a real estate website. Okay, so then it will ask you what stuff you want in that website. You need to just provide your input, and then it will ask you what technology you want. So you it will ask you some question, you need to provide it as per your requirement, and then it will start creating it. Okay, so whatever it is asking, you just select and hit enter. So now you can see it has started planning, right? So here it's creating plan for us, and it is thinking step by step. That's really amazing. We have just given one task, and it is doing everything for us. So now here you can see it's showing that plan is completed. So now what we have to do, we have to move to build mode. So now you can press tab, and here you can see plan mode is shifted to build mode. So now here you can type like build my application, or you can type start building implementation, something like you give the command that you start the implementation. So now here it has started implementing it. So what I'm doing, I'm just fast forwarding my video because it will take some time for building it. And guys, it has completed. Guys, now it has completed. I have not written a single line of code. I've just given one task to it, and it has created my project. So here my project is completed. Now to run my project, it is showing me something that you need to run it. And one more thing guys, we are using npm. If on your system it's showing problem with npm, that means node.js is not installed, so you need to install node.js also. So video link I will provide in description box, you can install it. And guys, here you can see my website is built by AI and for free. The design looks so clean, I can do everything over here, and it is working. So to run it has shown me the option. I have just typed that on terminal, and it is running. And you can see guys, it's the website which it has created for real estate. It is showing me location and everything, and if I click on that, it will show me further detail, agents detail, contact us form, and so many things it is having, right? So now I will provide it some other task, create a website for enrolling a course. So for my particular website, so cscornersunitarai.com I have given for reference, and you can see how nicely it has created my website. There is courses available on my website, and you can see for free tutorial it is redirecting to my website. So linking is also done. If I select any of the course, it is showing me price, and there is option of enrolling to that particular course. And when I was giving task to it, it has asked me like what do you want, whether you want payment, sign up, registration. So I have provided all that detail, and you can see it has created a complete website for me. Now if I want to go to production mode for this particular website, I need to simply put API key for Razorpay and other stuff, then it will start working, this website. So I really love this open code, guys. So guys, this is how you can do vibe coding in VS Code completely for free using open code. You can build any kind of project using this, whether website, Python application, Django application, React application, everything you can build, everything is possible. So I hope guys, by following my video, you are able to successfully set up open code and start vibe coding. If my video has helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any query, you can put in the comment box. I will surely reply. And guys, I have given all my social media link in description box. Certainly you can visit that. I have another coding channel in Hindi. You can watch that if you are interested learning coding in Hindi. I have my website where I have provided free tutorials, notes and everything. You can just go and see. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. There is red color subscribe button, just hit on it. You don't have to pay anything for it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care guys.